Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of Adidas sneakers. Actually not Adidas but Ugg Australia sneakers. I've got them on sale at Ugg Ca805 event. So they came in box that stays here, and then they came in this box. So it looks like this box, and the model is called Ugg Ca805 Zip Safari in size 9, US9. So here it is, the label, and let's open them. Here is the Ugg paper, tissue paper, Ugg brand, like so, and open. And we have boots, sneakers. Also Ugg card. Here is some Ugg card. Protection. So they looks like this. Nice, interesting design. As you can see, they are funny looking a little bit. They have that Ugg sign here on both sides, here and here. They are not from leather, they are from synthetic material here, and here is even very cushiony material, synthetic, and bottom looks like this. I read reviews that they runs big, that's why I didn't have many sizes, and I ordered size 9, and normally I am size 9.5 in Ugg Australia, so I ordered half size smaller. Inside they have black lining without, it's not leather one, and inside they have some Ugg label here, Ugg sign, and inside they say it's USA size 9, made in Vietnam. And interesting is that they are on zipper here, and they are not on laces. And this part, tongue, a little bit can be adjusted, and here it's connected with inner part of shoe with the stretchable elastic. So this part is like keeping your foot inside, and it will not go out. And the zipper doesn't go all the way to here, but only to here. So yeah. The review says that they are comfortable because they have thick sole, and it's take cushion, like they are good cushion against the ground. So yeah, I will try them on. And here they have pull up tab, which has some design on it, which reminds me a little bit of Indian design. And here we have Ugg sign. Yeah, and I like this pink accents in the shoe. Other one looks the same. So I will try try them on and see if they fit me. So this is how they look. Wow, they are comfortable, I can tell you. And they have that cushion in the sole, like see? Like this, they squeezing. See? And they fit me. I normally wear size 9.5, and this is 9, and they are fine, like correct. Not too big, not too small. So yeah, when you walk, it's like walking on the clouds, because it takes cushions, like on mattress walking or on something soft, because it's like thick cushion and it's not hard, but it's like giving away under pressure. Even better than in Adidas Ultra Boost, because I have ones and they are not as comfy like these ones. So maybe that would be nice sneakers for walks outside or even on treadmill. I really like them. Oh no, I forgot. Here, look guys. So they are really nice. And I like that they are multicolors because they go well with my sweatpants, which are pink, but you can wear them with black, white, green, and violet, and even white. See? So that's cool about them. And they are a little bit like this, like swinging. They are swinging when you walk. That's cool. That maybe will be thumbnail. I also saw different colors, but they were not on sale. So these ones I grabbed when on sale. And I show you how they look from up. So they look like this. Cool. Very nice. I recommend them if you will see them in your size, or maybe on different page they will be. Because they are nice sneakers. Okay, that's my unboxing for today. Hope you enjoy such videos. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.